Hello guys, in this video I'll show you Postman is offering a free trial to access Claude and GPT models. So I basically selected my Google account and completing the profile. So once you sign up, will be setting up your workspace. Postman, if you don't know, it's a popular HTTP client. They are offering this free program that they're running. You can activate their enterprise trial for totally free without having credit card. So right here, once you are redirected after you log in with your Google account, I've already done that. Simply click the upgrade option. As soon as you click the upgrade button, you see this three plans that they're offering: solo plan, team plan, enterprise. So basically, you can select enterprise right here, which is of $49 per month. You basically get this option, start enterprise trial. So basically you get all these features inside this. So click on start enterprise trial. Just click this option and congratulations, trial has started. So now your trial is successfully started guys. So what you need to do, so as you can see, once you are inside your dashboard area, you need to go to the AI mode. So as you see in the sidebar section, we are actually seeing this AI. Simply toggle this. Just go to the AI right here section. So basically for this you need to enable Postman agent. Just click on this button and this will redirect you to the area. You just need to click this button, enable. Just enable this agent. After you make this change, now all AI models will come. You click on this. Now go to this AI option. Basically if you see, we are getting this GPT 5.5. We are also getting Claude Opus 4.8, GPT 5.6. All these premium models we are getting. So right here you can select from this list. You can even hit more models. Claude Opus 4.7, 4.5. Let me select Claude Opus 4.8. This is the most premium model. And now if I just type here hi, you will see that it will respond to me. Hi Gautam, welcome to Postman. I am here to work with your APIs. So as you see guys, we can try this Claude Opus for 30 days using this Postman enterprise trial that they're offering it for totally free. Let me just ask a question right here. Top Node.js frameworks in 2026. So now it will use the Claude Opus model. It will be searching the web internet for you to tell you the top Node.js frameworks. You can ask any kind of question. So as you see, it is responding to us. It is giving the description of top Node.js frameworks. And let me just tell it to build a image to PDF advanced app in browser, create a index.html file. So I simply written the prompt, I want a advanced app. So create an index.html file. So just answer some questions. It will actually research for image to PDF file conversion APIs. So it will do the research for you and just give you the libraries that you can use to actually do the. So as you see guys, it is using Claude Opus. Similarly, you can use GPT as well. Just select from the list. So all these models are free once you activate the enterprise trial. So you can basically build out unlimited applications using this Postman. So you can basically get help while making the request through Postman. So basically we can say create a mock server in Postman that simulates image to PDF conversion API so can develop my front end against it. So basically it will build out this guys. So this enterprise trial that we activated will end in 30 days. It doesn't require any credit card. You simply click the button, activate this, and you can try this with multiple accounts. So once 30 days are over, you can try with this another Google account, or you can create fake account as well through TempMate to get unlimited 30 days trial. So I think it's the best way by which you can get access to Claude Opus 4.8 GPT 5.6 as well through this Postman trial, enterprise trial that they're offering. So definitely check this out.